String slicing using native indexing. We can slice a string using native indexing. Slice means extracting substring in a string. First we will see accessing a character in a string using native indexing. Let's take one example. String equal to within double quotes like index value equal to string within square brackets -3 print of index value. Let's run it. See, the output is I. Let's see indexes and their values. -1 index having E, -2 index having K, -3 index having I, -4 index having L. Remember, native index always start from -1 from right to left. Next, we will see slicing using native indexing. Let's take an example. String equal to within double quotes subscribe. String sliced equal to string within square brackets -9 colon -6 print of string sliced. Let's run it. See, the output is sub. Remember, start index is always higher than end index while using native indexing.